What color is that?
Dude, that's a...
See you later gray? That's insane, bruh. Ain't no way. You must be very pleased with yourself.
I am.
Oops. Got Grant talking to his buddy over there. I got Mr. Need to shave his mustache because it's only growing right here for some reason. I remember when these things were brand new and now they look like junk. Yeah, well, it's junk.
It's pretty timeless.
What
do you think?
About as timeless as you. I would get it in ultraviolet brown personally. I want a $59 coffee cup that has a Porsche logo on it. $525 GT3 cup. Got the Manta Ray logo. Got the fire extinguisher. The automatic transmission.
Oh, it's a 2+2.
No roll cage though. Manta Ray? Manta Ray?
I don't think it's Manta Ray.
Manta Ray? Tow hook. Manta Ray. Manta Ray. Turbo fan mini edition. Kent in my way. Cannon. I'm liking this thing more and more. More than this hunk of junk, that's for sure. GT4 RS. Huh. This one's locked. They don't let peasants in that one. Starting up this old junker. Not bad. Check this out. 992 GT3 RS. Still got all the shipping stuff on it. Oh, I got the plastic. This thing brand spanking new. Green accents are a little bit of whack, but even got the pool noodle on the front. Not bad. Probably marked up to like 700K though, so I'd much rather have this one down here. Not the GT3, not the Macan, not the Taycan, not the whatever that thing is, but the GT2 997 classic. And this one, beautiful spec, white. Oh, look at that accent. And the canards on the front. Manual, obviously. Man, this thing, almost perfect. Almost. Heard there's something pretty cool over here. It's not the Q7, not the Q3. It's behind the prison bars here. R8 GT, one of what, 150, 300, something like that. Red, of course. This is the first one I've seen, actually. Even went down to Monterey and didn't see one. Trying to avoid that glare. It's cool, it's cool. Not as cool as the OG one, in my opinion, though. I like that it's rear-wheel drive, but I don't know. It's just not as special as the old ones. But still cooler than these. Kind of depressing how many of these Cayennes they sell, but whatever. If it means I can keep making 911s, that's okay, I guess. But they're kind of ugly. Check this thing out. I don't know what this is, some 991, but where the engine at? Come on. That's crazy. I don't know if they want me filming this, but look at that. That's insane. All taken apart like that. And we got a cool 928 or whatever. Get this gosh darn ugly box out of here. Go back to gosh darn California where you belong, boy. Yo, what is this thing doing following us? Gosh darn hunk of junk? Come on. Floor it, boy. This is just sad.
My foot's on the accelerator.
0 to 60 in, oh, what is it? 15, 16 seconds. So why didn't you get a manual, boy?
This is a manual, see?
Oh yeah, manual. Yeah. You just have pedals as well. You got the dual setup. So what did we just see over there? We just saw Jaguar. I was like, man, those kind of look like Teslas. 2 seconds later, turns the hazards on and breaks down. Goes on the side of the freeway. That's just a Jaguar moment right there. Good thing there's a tow truck. Just has to reverse a little bit. That's why you don't buy Jaguar, folks. You buy Toyota. Yeah, GR86 Premium. What is this? Got the forced car rent? Oh my gosh, this is so racist. Oh my gosh, it's a twin. But I was gonna say, look at all these white cars.
We came in here to trade in.
It's so racist.
Oh yeah.
This is unacceptable. Oh my gosh, they have a convertible Range Rover in there. That is absolutely tragic.
They buffed it. And simulator gray.
Look.
Interior 6-speed manual.
Wait, what is it again? Say it again.
Supra A91 edition. See you later gray 6-speed manual.
Oh my gosh. You are such a nerd. This is just sad. Bro's leaping the Supra. Yeah, you click that camera, boy. You get that content. Ignore these racers over here. Finty Kenty doesn't know how to park.
It's over the line.
Okay, I guess it's just a Toyota thing. I can't believe this. Range Rover convertible. Coupe as well.
The best car.
Best vehicle. Yeah, screw these old junkers. Oh. This is probably my dream car. #1 dream car right here. The Evoque. Convertible. So useless. Kent, let me ask you a question. Out of all the cars here, which one would you take?
I think I'll take the 3.0 Supra A90. It's a 6-speed manual.
6-speed manual.
See you later gray material.
Should I cop a Raptor R?
Yeah.
One of the cheaper trucks out there, right? Could cop this Rolly. Rolls Royce Cleveland Special Commission. Yep, we're in Cleveland, folks. Military spec. Oh, those wheels are whack. I'm sorry. This is cool.
Actually,
Got the buckets. I think I might trade in my whip, honestly. This is pretty nice. I like it.
Oh yeah, I did.
Sitting in the rolls. It's funny how the mirror goes with the door.
I know.
Don't you dare take my stuff off, boy. Get out of my way. Oh my gosh. Let's see.
Way too small in that thing.
Hey, driver, can you unlock my door?
I don't know how. Look at this.
I want to get in.
That's cool. All the LEDs up there. Starlight. That's nice. Oh, thank you.
Oh my god.
You're a kind and gracious guy. How do I unlock this thing? Oh. Yeah, hop in, passenger.
Mom said it's my turn to go in the Rolls Royce.
Oh my gosh. That's true luxury right there.
There's more buttons.
Yeah, press all the buttons. Oops.
You stop that button.
Maybe not that one.
What does this do? It's a spinny thingy.
Ooh. This is fun. This is like the playground. Back when we were younger. A very expensive playground. Wow, that was anticlimactic.
What even is this?
It's for your drugs.
Because every Rolls Royce on earth is a druggie.
Exactly.
Boom.
Where's the wine cooler? When I got in, I thought these were pencils.
I did too.
I was like, why are there pencils in here?
Oh, dude, there's another thing in the back?
For all the drugs.
Back?
Man, this is just sad though.
What is that?
Oh. That ruins my immersion. I'm being kicked out of the Rolls Royce.
Close my door.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you had a button, but okay.
Wait, do it. Does it actually
Lazy
have a
little
button?
beak.
Oh, that.
Umbrella.
This is it.
I mean, it is pretty rainy in Portland.
Oh, whoa. Okay, those floor mats.
Yeah,
are
don't
so
scratch up my car, boy. Yeah, be very gentle.
I actually kind of like the way these doors
Dad, can you let us kids have a little more legroom back here?
Fuck no.
We're getting crushed. Why are we taking this thing? Why can't we take the rolls? There's no stars on this.
How do I open
It's
the door?
junk.
Little brat.
Okay, Dad. Can you buy me that S65 V12? Thanks.
Yeah.
Sweet. Who the frick put used Kleenex in my Bentley?
I'm firing the driver.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is inappropriate.
Shit.
I feel pretty good in this thing. Raptor R, baby. Got my deflated shifter. Got the big screen for liberals, though.
Liberal sissies.
Yeah, liberal sissies live in the city. Big sunroof.
Yo, this entire thing pushes down.
It's like a real piece of junk. I prefer my
Oh,
1997 Silverado. Oh,
You might see women.
don't mess up my truck, okay, son?
My bad, Chief.
Yeah.
I'm woman.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, you're ruining the shot. Floyd. This is better than the intersex.
This is addicting. This is like an ADHD's dream right here. Hey! I love this thing. Convertible Range Rover, my cop.
Oh god.
My seat's a little bit far forward, but you know, it's fine. I can see. Make enough pictures.
Yeah, I got enough.
I know I'm a celebrity, but there will be other opportunities. This is unironically how women drive. And they'd see that Aston Martin, they'd drive right over it. They'd be like, oh, I'm such a Scorpio. I'm such an asparagus.
I did something again.
This is just typical British build quality right here.
Peeling right here.
Oh man, my Evoque convertible. You can't do me like that.